How you doing? My name is Ricky V from Highland Hill Farms, and I'm going to sing a cover song today that I heard on the radio from Mario. And when you come and buy a tree from us, I'll sing you a personal song. Ricky V. Here we go. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, see the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories, you know that there are lies. Bad as you won't stick around, and I just don't know why. Cause if I was your man, baby, you don't have to worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You the type of woman deserves good things. Wrist full of diamonds, hands full of rings. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need at Highland Hill Farm.